Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Vaalco Energy Incorporation, and as you can see this is a long-term chart, and this chart probably you can divide it into three parts. The first part is here you have something like this part, okay, and then you have the second part which is this part, and currently the third part which we are going to discuss right now is this part. Okay, now the overall chart itself looks like a technical trading pattern which we called as a head and shoulder, and this is something which we call it as a negative chart pattern. Okay, and if you just draw a line like this, you will see here. So what you will see here is a trend which is something like this. Okay, so now indeed it is not a good sign. Okay, first of all let me tell you that it doesn't matter whether it is your favorite stock or not, but one should understand what the trend is telling about the stock. As you can see, this is the overall or big chart pattern which one can see in this stock. Now, even though the overall construct looks like a negative chart pattern, because let me tell you, first and foremost you have these two important support levels. The first support level, and these are all big support levels because we are looking at a monthly or the long term chart. So your first support level will come at 0.84, and your next support level will come at, or the last support level will come at 0.65. If the stock falls below 0.65, then it is better to close position rather than thinking what should happen next or we will purchase once it falls. Okay, so there is nothing to think about that or think like that. Okay, now because it is near to its support level, and it is a big support level as I've told you, so there is a probability that the stock could probably jump on the higher side. Okay, but just simply understand one thing: whatever will happen, probably a short term or trading bounce, and it doesn't matter how far or how big the trading bounce back could probably be, still we can consider it as a trading bounce unless the trend or the big trend itself sustains. Okay, now just have a look at it, because as you can see this is at its support level and there is a green bar which you could probably see. This is a very little green bar. So now the big trend or the next big target which one could probably see will be 2.33, and if the stock cross 2.33, then your next target or resistance will come at 3.47. If the stock successfully cross that, then you have two more uh, target levels or resistance level, which are your big resistance level, that will come at or in between 9.2 and 10.7. So we are not going to go below or beyond 10.7 because 10.7 is the biggest resistance, and if the stock cross and sustain above 10.7 or 10.8 or $11, obviously it means that it is a start of a new and fresh trend. Okay, so that is not in the picture right now. What is there is the stock will probably move towards 2.3, and if things looks good then probably 3.4 or 3.5. If the stock, or there is one more thing rather than that, so you will just use this one. Okay, so after 2.3, stock can move in between 3.4 and 3.9 or $4, and if the stock sustain above $4, then we could probably see the stock could go towards or reach its previous high, which is in between 9.2 and 10.7 or 10.8 probably. Okay, that will be your final big target or big resistance. Do not try to jump beyond a certain level. Let the stock decide. If it has to break out, it will happen, then we will take the call. If it doesn't, then I have explained you what are your target levels if you are bullish. Most importantly, if you are bearish, or if you don't understand how the trend looks like or what to do in case the stock goes south, then what you need to do, I have explained you these two major support levels. If these two support level breaks, simply close your trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.